Hey everyone, just a quick video I thought I'd put up with a bit of a question I have. So as you know, I'm in the middle of building the Bismarck 1/700 scale by 5 FlyHawk, and it didn't come with a stand, but I did find a stand that I haven't used from actually a 700 scale Nimitz carrier. But what my question is, normally I just drop the ship on that and it's done. That just holds it up. But what is this supposed to be? Is this like a dry dock? Are these wooden slats in here, or are they metal, or how should I paint this? Should it be painted? Just wondering, just putting it out there, a question, because something I've never thought about before. I do have one of these under the Kitty Hawk, which again is just a bigger version of that because it's a 350 scale, but I didn't paint it or anything. But I'm just wondering, what is these supposed to represent? And if you can point me to some direction of where I could find out what this is supposed to look like when it's painted. It's obviously not shown in the display on the box art or anywhere. So yeah, if you want to put comments down below and give me an idea of what I should do, how I should paint this up, or should I just leave it as it is and drop the model straight on it. Yeah, but it's just, I'm sure it's supposed to be something, and it's supposed to look like something, so maybe you can help me out. Alright, cheers guys, bye.